Philosophy is the highest music. I count him braver who overcomes his desires than him who conquers his enemies, for the hardest victory is over self. In a democracy, the poor will have more power than the rich because there are more of them and the will of the majority is supreme. Ignorance of all things is an evil neither terrible nor excessive, nor yet the greatest of all, but great cleverness and much learning, if they be accompanied by a bad training, are a much greater misfortune. For a man to conquer himself is the first and the noblest of all victories. Friendship is essentially a partnership. There must always remain something that is antagonistic to good. It is not he who rebels or strikes you who insults you, but your opinion that these things are insulting. The very spring and root of honesty and virtue lie in good education. Mothers are fonder than fathers of their children because they are more certain they are their own. It is folly for a man to pray to the gods for that which he has the power to obtain by himself. Suffering becomes beautiful when anyone bears great calamities in cheerfulness, not through insensibility, but through greatness of mind. The virtue of justice consists in moderation as regulated by wisdom. It is just that we should be grateful not only to those with whose views we may agree, but also to those who have expressed more superficial views, for these also contributed something by developing before us the powers of thought. I never desired to please the bravo. What pleased them, I did not learn, and what I knew was far removed from their understanding. Do not spoil what you have by desiring what you have not. Remember that what you now have was once among the things you only hoped for. Cowardice stands halfway between cowardice and rashness, one of which is a lack, the other an excess of cowardice. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. Skillful pilots gain their reputation from storms and tempests. When there is an income tax, the just man will pay more and the unjust less on the same amount of income. The best friend is the man who in wishing me well wishes it for my sake. What is a friend? A single soul dealing in two bodies. The gods too are fond of a joke. Know how to listen, and you will profit even from those who talk badly. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. What it lies in our power to do, it lies in our power not to do. A few vices are sufficient to darken many virtues. The ideal man bears the accidents of life with dignity and grace, making the best of circumstances. I am called a dog because I fawn on those who give me anything. I yelp at those who refuse, and I set my teeth in rascals. Fear is pain arising from the anticipation of evil. It is impossible to begin to learn that which on things one already knows. You can discover more about a person in an hour of play than in a year of conversation. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Imagine for yourself a character, a model personality, whose example you determine to follow in private as well as in public. No one would choose a friendless existence on condition of having all the other things in the world. The end of life is not to be like God, and the soul following God will be like Him. All men's souls are immortal, but the souls of the righteous are immortal and divine. The mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be kindled. Knowledge without justice ought to be called cunning rather than wisdom. If virtue promises happiness, prosperity, and peace, then progress in virtue is progress in each of these four to whatever point the perfection of anything brings us. Progress is always an approach toward it. God has entrusted me with myself. To accuse others for one's own misfortune is a sign of want of education. To accuse oneself shows that one's education has begun. To accuse neither oneself nor others shows that one's education is incomplete.